So welcome for today's class of mathematics. This is for class 9th mathematics, chapter 12, Heron's formula, exercise 12.2, question number 7. So I will be solving exercise 12.2, question number 7 today. So let me start. First I'll take down the question, okay? What is the question? A kite in the shape of a square with a diagonal 32 cm and an isosceles triangle of base 8 cm and side 6 cm. Each is to be made of three different shades as shown in figure 12.17. Here you all can see figure 12.17. There are two different shades. How much paper of each shade has been used in it? Okay, so that we need to find out. Okay, what we need to find out is how much paper of each shade has been used. This is something which we have to find. Okay, so let us find out this. So let me start. So I have drawn the diagonal over here. So here you all can see the kite having a pink shade. This is the pink shade and this is the white shade. Okay, it is not mentioned here. Okay, which shade it is. So I have considered this to be a pink shade and this to be white shade. Okay, so here it is given to be a kite of the shape of a square with diagonal is 32. Diagonal will be 32. So half of that it will be 16. So what you all are going to do is in triangle ABC you will take. Okay, so BC is what is your base is 32 centimeter and your height is 16 centimeter. So first you will have to write down diagonal of a square bisect each other at right angle. Bisect each other at right angle. Bisect each other at right angle. I have to write down area of triangle ABC is equal to half into base into height. So here let me explain you all. Half, write it as it is. Your base is nothing but we are taking area of triangle ABC. BC is nothing but 32. Diagonal is 32 and the height is 16. Okay, so write down half multiplied by your base is 32 multiplied by 16. So you have to cancel this. 2 ones are 2 carry 1, 2 6 are. So we will get 16 multiplied by 16. So write down here 16 multiplied by 16 will give you 256 centimeter square. Okay, so therefore you all can write down that the area of the shaded one. So here what is given, area of shade 1 that is your triangle ABC is equal to 256 centimeter square you all got. So therefore area of shade 2 that is triangle BDC is the same as of area of shade 1 that is your triangle ABC. It says that this triangle area of triangle ABC will be same as area of triangle BCD. This portion, this part will be equal to this triangle. Okay, now which triangle is left? The third one. This is the third one. Okay, that is your DEF or EFD you can say. Okay, so DEF is left. Now this triangle we are talking about. So the value of A you can take it as 6, the value of B also you can take it as 6 and the value of C you can take it as 8. So for the area of the shade 3 that is your triangle DEF, okay, this part it is. Okay, so as I said the value of A will be 6, value of B will be 6 and C is nothing but 8. So we need to find the semi parameter. Okay, semi parameter. So formula of semi parameter is S is equal to A plus B plus C upon 2. Now what is the value of A? 6 plus 8 upon 2, right? So S is equal to, you all have to add this. Your value of A was what? Value of A is So okay, your B is 6, your C is also 8. We are plugging the values upon 2. Now 6 plus 6, which is 12. 12 plus 8 will give you 20 upon 2, right? So write down over here, S is equal to 20 upon 2. So 2 ones are, 2 tens are. So the value of S is equal to 10. Next we need to find the area of triangle DEF. Okay, let us find the area of triangle DEF. What is the formula for that? S, write down, S into S minus A, S minus B and S minus C. Okay, this is the formula for the area of triangle DEF. Next what you'll have to do is put a triangle. What is the value of S? Semi parameter is 10. 10 minus 6, the value of A is 6, right? The value of B is also 6, so 10 minus 6. The value of C is what? 8, so 10 minus 8. So here what all are going to get? Put the square root. 10 multiplied by 10 minus 6 is nothing but 4. 10 minus 6 is nothing but 4. Multiplied by 10 minus 8 will give you 2, right? So next what we have to do is take this 4 common. This 4 we will take common outside. It is in pairs, right? So write down this 4 outside the bracket. Then 2 5s are 10 we can say. For here we can write 2 5s are 10 and 2. So 2 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 2 is left, right? Now 2 are in pair. So 4 multiplied by 2 into root 5. So 4 2s are 8 into root 5 is your answer. So write down centimeter square. Therefore last we need to find the area of the shade 3. Area of the shade 3, that is, which shade it is? Triangle DEF, right? This is something which we need to find. So basically that was equal to 8 into root 5 centimeter square. Now what is your root 5? Root 5, okay, you all can do by using a long division method. If you all don't know, you all can comment below. I'll provide the link in the comment section. So 8 multiplied by root of 5 will give you 2.24 centimeter square. It is 2.23 you should get, okay? 2.23 will be your answer. So multiply this, you will get 17.92 centimeter square. So if you multiply this, what answer you all are going to get? 17.84 it is. 17.84. If you all don't know the multiplication, you all can comment below. I'll provide a link in the description below. So 17.84 centimeter square is your area of the shaded third portion. Okay. Therefore, you all can say that area of the shade 3 is equal to. So area of the shade 3 is equal to 17.84 centimeter square is your answer. So I hope you all have understood, and thanks for watching. Okay, so I hope you all have understood the part. Thanks for watching.